Hi, are you planning to boost your productivity by many folds? Yes, welcome to Amazon Q, one of the most powerful generative AI assistant out there. This is a multi-part series where we will deep dive into how Amazon Q works. Let's get started. In this module, we will learn Introduction to Amazon Q, a generative AI powered assistant from AWS to help reinvent how you work. Let's get started. In this module, you will learn the following topics. Introduction to Amazon Q, which is the most capable generative artificial intelligence powered assistant for accelerating software development and leveraging companies' internal data. We will identify the purpose of Amazon Q and why it is created. What problems does it address? Amazon Q has several products that will empower employees, including IT administrators, software developers, and knowledge workers, to be more creative, data driven, and productive in their roles. We will learn about the multiple use cases of Amazon Q. We will also learn about the various benefits of integrating Amazon Q to an organization, information, code, processes, tools, and systems. Then we will learn how to set up Amazon Q and start using. Software developers will learn how Amazon Q developer can increase productivity at every stage of the software development life cycle. A knowledge worker in roles such as strategy, marketing, and business operations will learn to query and create content using their organization's document repository using a chatbot interface. They will also learn to use Amazon Q to develop data stories in the form of narratives leveraging their organization's data stores. AWS provides a comprehensive stack for generative AI across multiple layers. At the infrastructure layer, we have Amazon SageMaker, which is the center for all your data, analytics, and AI. Bringing together widely adopted AWS machine learning and analytics capabilities, Amazon SageMaker delivers an integrated experience for analytics and AI with unified access to all your data. Collaborate and build faster from a unified studio using familiar AWS tools for model development, generative AI, data processing, and SQL analytics accelerated by Amazon Q Developer, the most capable generative AI assistant for software development. Also, AWS offers advanced computing capabilities, including AWS Trainium 2 chips for faster model training and various EC2 instances optimized for AI workloads. The infrastructure layer also includes enhanced storage solutions like Amazon S3 Express One Zone for high performance, low latency object storage and improved networking capabilities through EC2 Ultra Cluster 2.0. The middle layer features Amazon Bedrock, which provides access to various foundation models from providers like Anthropic, Meta, and Amazon Titan, along with customization options and security features. This layer enables organizations to build customized AI applications while maintaining enterprise-grade security. It provides secure, private, easy way to build and scale powerful new applications with foundation models. At the application layer, AWS offers solutions like Amazon Q, a generative AI assistant designed for work environments that can access company data and systems to assist with various tasks. The generative AI applications present challenges to users and to customers, especially those that rely on AI general knowledge models. One of the challenges is the lack of context, where gaps in organizational knowledge can lead to incomplete or unhelpful responses. The models don't know company, data, customers, or operations. This limits how relevant their suggestions can be. Another challenge is security, where the leakage of input information and the output of inappropriate information can be damaging. The models also don't know much about who you are at work, your role, your preferences, what information you use, and what you do and don't have access to. One more challenge is data privacy, which means unprotected data can be accessed by unauthorized individuals, leading to privacy violations, including identity theft. The company wants assurance that your data remains separate and isn't used for public training, especially to protect your intellectual property. Critically, other providers launch tools without the data privacy and security capabilities that virtually every enterprise requires. One more challenge is compliance, where unauthorized use of technology poses a risk to organizations, its customers, and its data. Many CIOs banned the use of popular chat assistants to protect the organization against shadow IT or the unauthorized use of technology that poses a risk to organizations, its customers, and its data. Increasing development productivity is a prominent theme when talking about generative AI in the software development lifecycle or SDLC. But increasing development productivity is much more than just getting developers to write code faster. A recent Gartner study shows that 73% of development time is spent on running and maintaining applications, and only 27% of time on innovation and transformation. That means an average developer spends less than 1 hour a day writing code and developing applications. For example, when you encounter an error in an application, there's a lot of work involved in fixing it. You have to analyze and digest metrics to understand the issue. Then you need to figure out a solution, write the configuration changes, and deploy the fix into production. This can eat up hours or days of your precious time. So, ideally, we want to flip this equation and give time back to developers to enable creativity and innovation.